Purchasing a Horton reman fan drive just got easier. Hi, I'm Mat Stahl, on-highway product manager at Horton. We know returning truck part cores for credit can be a hassle. That's why we removed the complexity often associated with multi-tiered core return policies and replaced it with a simple, straightforward process that saves customers money and gets their trucks back up and running faster. The new core policy provides either full credit or zero credit. Full credit is given to a fan drive core in an off-truck condition. The previous middle tier that provided partial credit for core with dings and chips has now been removed. Those cores would now be considered full credit. Zero credit is given when the pulley or journal brackets have been altered by welding, torching, grinding, or other ways of modification. The fan drive core can be assembled or disassembled as long as all the parts are returned. In addition, we accept all competitor fan drives for full credit towards your Horton reman purchase. And it's as simple as that. So when the next fan drive repair opportunity comes up, consider the fastest and most efficient way to repair Horton reman fan drives. Thanks for watching. For more information or training videos, visit our website at hortonww.com and be sure to click subscribe on our YouTube channel.